Only do 93. Okay, so 2021, I'm trying to be more consistent with the uploads. Like last year, I wasn't really as consistent as I should have been. It take me a while to actually do these videos that actually have like meanings to them. So like the videos I be doing that be like 8 minutes, 9-10 minutes and stuff like that, it take me like a couple weeks to get done with those. And sometimes when I make those videos, the music that I add causes me to get copyrighted. Let me roll this up right quick. It causes me to get copyrighted, so I really don't even be getting paid off of those, and those be like my most viewed videos. So I'm gonna try to start being consistent with the uploads and like uploading POVs and stuff, because I know y'all probably be like, bro, what this dude 40p at? Like, he need to drop a video. But then again, I don't want to drop no bullshit and give y'all just anything. I wanted to have like some substance to it. It's got to be quality over quantity with me, you know? Some people just drop videos and then like it just be like a bunch of BS. And then also, I really don't like dropping those little 30-second videos. That's why I made a second channel. So I'm gonna post that link down in the description. I want y'all to go subscribe to that. I'm gonna post like races, and then like probably I might just post like little clips from like the videos I might drop on the main channel. So y'all just watch out for that, you know, subscribe to that channel. You know, that'll be a good thing for me, you know, for y'all can have more consistent content. But yeah, man, this video right here, some of these clips I have are already like pre-recorded. I probably like recorded them a couple days ago, I think, or sometime last week. But yeah, man, just keep watching this video. Look at this Accord right here. Damn, boy, you trying to get broke your motherfucking truck. I'm stuck, bro. You let me go where I'm still stuck that shit. I can't go nowhere. Right now, just cruising. I got my boy behind me. He got a Scion TC. He wanted to get like some roller shots and stuff like that. So, told him I'd fuck with him. He not enough. And he not fast enough.